अच्छा सुनो, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और उसके बगल वाली घंटी को तो प्रेस करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना। Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup look, and I'm going to create this makeup look right over here that I'm wearing. And yeah, if you want to know how to do this look, then please moisturizer. I have already moisturized up my skin well, and now I'm going to use this blush box makeup primer. I have got this one in my Marsh blush box, and this is basically a makeup primer. For my foundation, I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and I'm going to apply it. I'm going to put that all over my face and my neck. So yeah, let's do it. Done with my base. Now I'm going to use the concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 medium. And yeah, let's quickly apply this. Just applying in the areas where I actually need it and applying it on my lids. Further, I'm going to use this L.A Girl Pro Concealer in shade Warm Sand, and I'm going to contour a little bit. तो अभी आपको ध्यान रखना ये है कि जहाँ पे आपने contour किया है, so first you blend that and after that you blend concealer. So yeah, let's quickly blend the contour. Using my setting powder, I'm going to set everything. Using this palette from Nicka, I'm going to pick these both shade dark brown. To top this cream contour with powder contour on the areas where I have applied the cream contour, just a little bit. Orange shade for my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to pick this Makeup Revolution highlighter, and I'll apply it on the highest point of my face. Okay, now moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this nudes palette from Maybelline and this Faux Matte Blush palette from Nicka. I'm going to use these two palettes for my eyes and going to create cute looks. And it's not going to be very heavy or neither very light, yet it is going to look very classy, dramatic. So yeah, without any further delay, let's start. So for my transition, I'm going to pick this orange shade right over here, buffing it on my crease line. To further deepen up the color, I'm going to pick this brown shade, put it on the half crease. मतलब उसके crease line के एकदम ऊपर नहीं जाएंगे, little bit down below. Look at this, the way I'm doing it, down below, not above your crease, just down, just to intensify the color. I'm doing this step. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Now moving on, I'm going to this nudes palette and going to pick this purple shade right over here from this palette and just slightly buff it and make it a smoke. Just give the illusion of a smoky eye. So yeah, just buff it out around your outer corners and a little bit on your crease line too. Putting that same color on my waterline too. I'm going to use this shade right over here on my inner corners. So I'm going to add little more sparkle on my eyes and I'm going to add this shade. It's a little bit of sparkle in it. So I'm going to put this on my inner corners, slightly above the inner corners. So for that I'm going to use this flat brush, very tiny flat brush, little not more than this. I want my eyes to look more popped out, so just for that sake I'm doing this. Now I'm going to use this shade on my lower lash line. I have done my brows. Now I'm going to apply this Arts kajal on my waterline, on my upper and lower waterline. I'm going to use this Hyper mascara from Maybelline and going to coat my lashes. Use this Nelf lipstick. It's in the shade number 07. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you are planning to recreate this, then do not forget to tag me, and yeah, please follow me on my Instagram. Links are in the description below. I kind of liked and enjoyed filming this video, and if you do enjoyed watching this, then please let me know in the comment section what do you think about this look. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to give this